Hey folks, Father Sympathy from CGBytes here. A very simple add-on, Blender custom frame offset add-on. So with this add-on, you can block out your animation pretty easily. So it was actually a feature of Blender 2.7, but it was disabled for some reason after 2.7. So I just recreated it. Anyway, so let's see how to use it and let's see it in action. All right, installing as usual from GitHub. Go to the release and install this one, and after installing it, downloading it, go to edit, preference, go to add-on, install from disk, and I'm just going to desktop, and there we go. So this is the custom frame offset. If you can find it, just go for custom and custom frame offset. So yeah, and what it will do is basically it will give you this menu. Let me use custom frame offset. Okay, and if you enable it, you will find delta. So what is delta? Delta is basically the step of your keyframe. Something like 10. If I press 10, now press control, there we go. Yeah, press control and left click. Let me see, control, left click, left click, left click, left click. So it is going 10 10 10 10. Okay, if you go for 15, it will go for control, left click, left arrow, it will go for 15 frame, right arrow, it will back to 15 frame. So that's how it works, pretty simple. So if I go to 50, it will go for 50. Okay, so it was there in Blender 4. In Blender 2.6 and 2.7, but for some reason when the interface has been changed, then it went out. I don't know why. Anyway, so how can you use it? First thing first is basically, if you go to the preference, you can change the custom shortcut here. If you go to the shortcut, that is key map, and search for custom frame offset. Let me see. Okay, it should be here in the add-on actually. Edit, offset left, offset right. Search for offset left, offset right. So let's go here. Let's search for offset left and offset right. Okay, if you search for offset left and offset right, it should be there. Okay, I'm using control and left arrow for left and control and right arrow for right. Okay, you can change your settings here just like other key bindings. Okay, number one is done. So let's go and let's see how to use it. Using it is basically, it is much more easy to do. Let's press A, select all, delete keyframe. Okay, it is used for blocking out your animation. So I'm not going to waste your time too much, so let's just here go select the auto keyframe, press I, and select a keyframe. So let's go to delta. I'm going for something like 15, and then control, there we go, 16, and let's just block out your animation here, I and I. Okay, maybe, yeah, I. Okay, so let's go to control again, and maybe this. Okay, I'm using auto keyframe, and maybe this. There you go. And then let's go control 46, and maybe this local. There you go, and maybe something like this. So it's the ancient animation techniques. First we create a block out, okay, keyframe by keyframe block out, and then we give it some animation. So I think we could have these things like that. Okay, there you go. So this is the block out animation. Okay, so after the blocking out, what you can do is basically, let's go to 5, that is delta 5, and then press up numpad, down key, then press control 41, that is 5 key animation, and you can detail it a little bit here and there, something like that. Okay, so maybe here, here, yeah, we can give it some micro animation. Ooh, okay, let's see. There you go, there you go, something like that. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time, so there you go, something like that. And you can just wiggle it around, like let me see, 5, 5, 10. So here we go, 10. There you go, 5, 10. There you go. So I don't know about these days kids, they use motion captures, AI and everything. We use it like that, 90s people, old people. Anyway, so here we go. So this is how you can create your own blockout animation. Okay, so we block it out first and then we give it some detail and everything. So yeah, that's how you can work with it. And after some blocking out, here's the result. Okay, let me see. Yeah, 40. Sorry, end frame 40. Yeah. See, you can do your stuff, and then after blocking out, and you can create your own details and stuff like that. So you can also use it in compositing framework as well. So yeah, suppose we can use this in masking system. Okay, so I'm in viewer node mask system. I don't want to waste your time. Time is precious, so let's go to the delta. I'm just going for a 10. I'm just going to show you some mask setup here. So random mask, here we go. What's up? Let me see. We are in mask. Yeah, mask. Yeah, it was weird. Anyway, so let's go to delta 10, and I just want to show you something like this. Suppose we need a garbage mask or something. So yeah, this what we can do is basically we can go to the dope sheet mask here, and let's press I to create a keyframe, create the auto keyframe. So let's go to control, press control, and go to the 10, press G. Okay, control 10, it's all right. Press G somewhere, control G somewhere, control G, it's all right. I control G. Okay, so what we did, blocking animation, it's just simple block animations. Okay, so that's all. You can work with it. Bye bye.